Okay guys, Brick with Kingstree Plumbing here. We're just at the shop. We pulled out this really old, like granddad tank the other day. This is 53 years old, which is the oldest tank I've ever pulled out. And I'm just going to explain the different areas of a natural draft tank so you understand what's going on and show you the benefits of a water softener. This system had a water softener and it's just amazing how long it made this thing last. So we've got the outlet, so this is the hot out, the cold in. So as we introduce cold into the tank, the hot comes out. So when you open a faucet, hot's coming out, cold coming in. You've got the T&P valve, temperature and pressure relief. So if you get excessive temperature or pressure in the tank, this is going to release. This should have a dip tube on that goes within 6 inches of the ground. Often the old ones don't. And this is a drain valve. So when you're doing your maintenance every year, you should be hooking a hose up to here to the drain, opening this, shutting the valve off with an inlet in, opening hot taps everywhere to let the air into the system, and then draining this thing. You've got your gas valve here, so this is what allows you to set the temperature, get the pilot going, that sort of thing. This has a stat that goes inside, a thermostat that goes in, senses the temperature of the tank and will come on and off and let gas into the burner and heat up the tank as you need it. What we've done here is we've cut this open just to show you. Typically this would be like a third full of calcium magnesium deposits after 20 years. Like I say, this is 53 years old and you can see the bottom of the tank. Usually the back of the gas valve is completely encased in deposits like this, so it's not able to sense the temperature of the water. You get overheating and damage that way. Your tank can fail that way. This is the flue, so in here there's a baffle. The burner is underneath. There's a baffle in here that slows the exhaust down and heats the water up in here. There's not a lot of build up in here at all, so this is amazing. Just the water was softened for many years, and then when they stopped that, this customer got a water softener, and this is why this has lasted for 53 years. So ask us about our water softeners, give us a call. Very important, every house should have one if your water isn't softened. It's going to prolong the life of everything. It's going to save you cleaning time. You're not going to get that build up on the glass. Your shampoo, everything's going to be less shampoo to get them more out of it. We've got the anode here. So what this does is stops the tank being eaten away at, and it will actually eat away the anode instead. These can be swapped. But usually when you're swapping stuff out, you're at the time, like tanks don't last 53 years anymore. Even if you put a softener in, you're going to get maybe 12 years instead of 8. Typically we're swapping these out every 8 years here. I think the city of Edmonton says 5 years for a swap out if it's not got a softener. This is also the dip tube. So this would go on the cold side at the back here, but it sits in here and it delivers the cold water right to the bottom of the tank. So if you have an issue where you have like intermittent hot water, or you have seems like you have pockets of hot water, then cold and hot, this could be broken halfway down or completely gone if you've just got cold water all the time. And again, if this is going, it really is an age where you're probably due a new tank anyway. So typically if we get to that 8-year mark and we're getting called out for issues like this, we're always going to be able to repair it, but we're going to give you the option and probably recommend replacing the tank anyway. So that's how that works. This one is completely broken and it was 53 years old, so we swapped it out and they'll have another 12 years before they have to worry because they have a water softener. Anyway guys, that's how it works. If you've got any questions, pop them down below. Subscribe to the channel. We're going to be doing more videos more often now, but I just wanted to show you the hot water tank. This is a natural draft. A lot of the tanks now are high efficient. They work a little bit differently. We will show you those when we come to them, but this one's going to the scrapyard now. You have a good day, like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.